Hello and welcome to our channel. It's such an awesome opportunity to have you with us once again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to share, also leave me a comment, and then also don't forget to follow us on all our social media handles. As you can see on the screen, on Facebook it is Super J Sipes, on Twitter it is Super J Sipes. When you go to Instagram it is Super J Sipes. You can check out our website, you can send us an email, you can send us WhatsApp, you can visit us on TikTok to follow us also. And then let us also hear some wonderful news. If there's any tutorial that you want us to work on, also do let us know so that we can work on it for you. Now in this lesson we'll be looking at how to delete a Telegram account. So we are talking about how are you going to delete a Telegram account. Let me tell you something about Telegram. Now Telegram is not like WhatsApp, where you can just you have to go and add the person there or to send the person. Now Telegram does something, a kind of reminding thing. So if somebody has your contact, Telegram tells the person that this person is on Telegram, or this person has installed Telegram, or this person has come on Telegram. So this person who has now been informed that you have landed on Telegram now calls you, or can just call you at any time, can WhatsApp you at any time, and this is not just done once, even repeatedly most of the time. So that is what happens. Sometimes it makes it very annoying to be on Telegram. I'm not doing this to discredit Telegram, but it is just an advice that I'm giving. Meanwhile, I love Telegram so much because Telegram gives you what WhatsApp is not able to give you, and you know what I'm talking about. Like for Telegram, if somebody adds you to a Telegram group today, you have the opportunity to see all the messages that have been on that page from the day the group was created. That is awesome. You won't get that on WhatsApp. You won't get that on all the social media handles. So that if you really want to do something with Telegram, go there. But after you have finished, maybe the notifications are too many. Like for myself, I have a whole lot of contacts on my Telegram page, and so most of the time it is a whole lot. It is too much. It is really too much. It is really too much. So that is what I am talking about. If your case is like that, then possibly you'd want to close your Telegram account for some time, and then later on you can bring it on. So let me just show you something later that I was talking about. When you look here on my Telegram page, you see that I have so many of them, and I used to delete and delete and delete and delete and delete and delete. Over here it tells you that so and so has joined Telegram, so and so has joined Telegram, so and so has joined Telegram. Imagine, I could just now call these people, follow them up, and all those kind of a thing, and it's a whole lot of things. But that is not what we're going to do today. What we're going to be looking at is this. So quickly, so if you check this site, I have my Telegram, and if you go through, you see that it is telling me these people, I didn't send them messages. They never sent me messages, but Telegram tells me that so and so joined Telegram, so and so joined Telegram, so and so joined Telegram, and it is a whole lot of them. I've deleted a whole dozen of these ones because I have lots of contacts on my phone, and it becomes that kind of a way. So let's move into action. Today you're going to learn how to close it up. Good. So if possibly you are using Telegram part-time, don't forget we are looking at how to delete or close your Telegram account, and this one is completely, it is not like for fun. And once you close the Telegram, we won't tell somebody and all those long stories. So it's really, Telegram really causes people to call you. they causes people to check up on you. It is not a bad thing though, but sometimes, just like Telegram is telling somebody about you joining Telegram, the same way it is also going to tell, even if you have 1,000 contacts, it tells you all your 1,000 contacts with separate notifications on different timings. So we're gonna look at how to just deactivate it. Whenever you want to activate it, you can bring it back. So let's go quickly to my phone. Now this is an account which is already there, and if you check here, Telegram also gives you the opportunity to add multiple accounts. So good. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to create a new account so that we get a chance to I'm going to create a new Telegram account, and then after that we will we will delete it. Good. You see, that is what I'm talking about. So whenever I want to use it, I bring it back, and then I like it, I enjoy it. So it happens that way. Whenever you want to use it, I bring it back, and then I come to use it because I love their service. Their service is just awesome for me. I really enjoy using Telegram, and that is why I I know about this. Okay, so quickly let's go back to the tutorial. I really like it. I'm going to activate it with a different number now. Actually, I'm going to create a new account from scratch. So if you don't know how to create a Telegram account, you just go to Play Store and download the app. I've put in a link in the description for you, and then you can go about to activate it. And it's just like any ordinary one, like WhatsApp, the way you do all those kind of a thing. For now, because I already have one, those of you who already have Telegram account and are thinking of, oh, he said I can add more accounts to it, how does that go? You can also use this opportunity to learn that one for yourself. So if you want to create a new account, or if you already have Telegram on your phone and you want to add a new account, you come to these three horizontal lines here, you click on it, and then, or you tap on it, and then you see this small arrow here. You come to this arrow here. So over on this arrow, now I will click on this arrow, or I tap on this arrow. Good. So it says here that I have one account, and then you can see over here I have my account here, and over here it says add accounts. I can create a group, I can see my contact, I can make calls, I can save messages, and it is just awesome. I told you WhatsApp is nice. And over here you can use it to go into dark mode. So mostly at night you don't want to really strain your eyes. You just click on this one, and then it changes your mode. So it takes you to dark mode. It takes you to dark mode like this one. You see? Good. So you can use these ones at night. Yeah. And then when I click it back, it brings me to the light mode. Good. But now what we want to do is that we just want to add an account. So we're going over here, add account. Good. So I tap on add account. It tells me to add to input my phone number. Oh wow. So I'm going to quickly input my phone number. So this is the one that I want to add to use in creating the new Telegram account. Good. I just forgot about it, or you can either add it, you can just ignore it, depending on what you want Telegram to do. Maybe Telegram will respond to this video. So I click on next over here, and then it says invalid code. I didn't really type any code. Anyways, I'll just tap on OK, and then we are waiting for the code. Okay, it is automatically generated because I already have that that SIM in this same phone. You see how fast it is? Very good. So let's go and check if it worked. If it is not the old one that is showing again, good. Let's go back there and check. So if you check here, I tap on the three lines again, and then you see now I have 2 Telegram accounts. So initially you only had this one, and now we have this one also. Isn't that wonderful? That's awesome. Okay, so back to it. Now, after I have created this new account, what I want to do now is I want to remove the new one that I did. I want to close it, like you're deleting the account. So let's go there. With that, you have to log into you have to use the web version of Telegram. So you go to my.telegram.org, and then I've actually put in the link in the description below, so please you can check it out in the description. When you click on that link, it takes you to this page. Now don't forget, this is my browser, so I'm showing you this from my browser. And then it's very straightforward. It says delete account or manage apps. So you log in here to manage your apps using Telegram API or delete your account. Good. So it says enter your number and we will send a confirmation note to Telegram. Don't forget, I first have to log into my Telegram over here. So I come back to Telegram. Okay, yeah, that is the new number. So if you see here, that is the new one that I'm logged into. Awesome. Because Telegram is going to send you a code to from the web to your app, just to confirm that you are the one who is requesting to close the account. So I come here, I will put my number again. Okay, I am just cross-checking the number to find out that it is the same thing. Good. And then I go to next. So after I click on next, Telegram gives me a code on my Telegram. You see this? It gives me a code and then tells me that this is the code. So it says I should input this code. Somebody is trying to log in from a web, and then I should put that code as a login code. So what I'm going to do quickly is that I'm going to copy this code, and then we are going to put this code on the web. I'm going to copy this code and we are going to put this code on the web. Or better still, I just check it and then I type it here. Good. I'll just check it and type it here quickly. So if you can see it, you can read it loud out for me. Thank you. Awesome. Wow. Thank you. I finished it. So after that, now I've typed in the code. What we are going to do is that we are going to click on sign in. So now we are signed in into Telegram, and then Telegram is asking us, delete your account. If you delete your account, all your messages and contacts will be deleted, will be on retrieval. It means it is a complete removal. All the groups and channels you've created will be orphaned and left without a creator, but admins will remain their right. It says please only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. If you delete your account now, it may not be possible to sign up again for several days. So I just signed out from this one that I just used in creating the Telegram account. I just signed out. I actually just deleted the account, and then you just saw me create it again just now. So it was so easier because it even told us, okay, if you check back here, it even told us that I had some messages already waiting, because I was already using this one and then I deleted it. Do you get it? Okay, so I come here and it tells you, why are you leaving? And then you can just tell them anything, or if not, you just come here and then click on delete my account. It says if you want to change your number, then you can click here to change your number. If your account was limited. Now let me also make this clear that if, let's say, your account has been hacked or something like that, like they usually say, you can just do the same, delete the account and then find your way out. So what are you doing? I just want to delete this one, and it says, are you sure? Warning, please only delete this account if you do not want to use Telegram. if you delete the account now, so and so. Okay, so I say, okay, yes, I want to delete. You can also go and say, no, I will give it another try. It depends on you. But for me, for the sake of this tutorial, you are going to say, yes, delete my account. So I click on it, and then it says deleting. What is happening on the phone? Oh, so let's check the phone. You come here, and then voila, tap on this one. It is gone again. Wow. So our account has been successfully deleted. Our account has been successfully deleted. Please and please again, don't forget that this was proudly brought to you by Super JSI Business and Services. And don't forget, like I told you before, don't forget to like our pages, follow, and click on the subscribe button below, so that, and also don't forget the bell, so that whenever we upload new tutorials or whichever of our playlist, you will be notified. Thank you so much for being with us throughout this tutorial. Catch you on the other side. Bye bye.
Storybox?